Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to install RustDesk on Windows. So first, you will have to open your browser and go to rustdesk.com, and on the homepage, you will click on the download button, which is right here, and then you will just have to wait for it to load, and then you will be taken to a list of available versions. Then you will choose Windows and the download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, you will have to open the file. And by the way, RustDesk doesn't require a complicated setup, so you will just have to follow the prompts and it will launch in seconds. When it opens, you will see your unique RustDesk ID and password. These are what you will use to either control another device or allow someone to control yours remotely. RustDesk is completely free, open source, and secure, making it a great alternative to apps like TeamViewer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.